Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is the second stamping plate from Uberchic Beauty set 22, which I purchased from Nail Artisan. And in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plate 2202, and I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. 2202 is another gorgeous plate, and there is 18 large style designs, of which 2 of them are layered images. There is also 8 smaller designs down the centre of the plate, along with 6 smaller layering images at the top. It's full of some amazing patterns and they're really quite unique. Going back to one of the layering designs on the bottom line, I've swatched this one layered, but I've also swatched it individually as well, as I feel these could be used both ways really. I've also swatched the roses at the top layered and then individually too. For my swatches I've used my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper and my usual mix of stamping polishes that I like to use. I loved patterned plates like this one. They can really make some interesting manis. I'm also really happy with how the smaller layered images have turned out. I'm really loving layered plates right now. They're just so interesting. For the smaller ones, I've used my small clear stamper as I explained in my last video for 2201. They have made the smaller layering designs much easier for me to stamp with. This is definitely a plate I'll be returning to again to make some more manis. And speaking of manis, I just love this mani. I've had so many compliments on this set, it was unreal. So I've used this amazing red nail polish and I stamped in gold, and I used 2 designs as they were similar, just one was inverted. And I have to say that I think this is one of my favourite manis so far this year. Oh, I love it. Onto some live swatching, and I'll be using my Born Pretty dual white and clear stamper and a scraper, my Born Pretty black stamping polish, and I'll just be taking some random swatches from across the plate and placing them onto my lint roller. I've left in the description box the Instagram pages for both Uberchic and Nail Artisan. These are pages that I look at on a daily basis. There is a lot of mani inspiration from some amazing nail artists. I'll also be bringing the final plate from set 22 very soon. This set I'm really glad I bought it. If you've missed 2201, then you can find it in my Uberchic playlist here on my channel, and the other 2 videos will be found in there once they're up. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and have the bell notification on so you don't miss any of my uploaded videos. I'm also now using Insta stories as well. I'm still learning how it all works, but I'm adding stories here and there. I'm also going to be bringing some new types of videos to my channel over the next few months. I'm still going to be doing my swatching and reviewing videos, but I'm excited to bring some new style of videos. I've already done 2 and so far they have received great reviews. Thank you for viewing my swatch review video on stamping plate Uberchic 2202. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, then please give it a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.